Howdy folks, Dave here. We're going to have a beer and we're going to do some beautiful Salisbury steak, so let me walk you through this. It's going to be incredible. It's a great day, so we're cooking outdoors. So what I've got here is about 600 kilos or 1.3 pounds of ground beef. And this is lean ground beef. And I'm going to add in half a cup of breadcrumbs, 3 cloves of garlic, and I'm just going to eyeball this, but I love the ketchup in my Salisbury steak. And of course, as always, some salt, just to bring out those flavors, and some ground black pepper. Now you can use a spoon, but I'm just going to use my hands and just kind of mix all this together. Of course, I forgot the egg. You got to have 1 egg in there just to bring everything together. And now I'm just going to mix things up. You can do your favorite burger recipe, but believe me, this is mine, and I just love it. Next up, I'm going to grab up, I'd say about a handful, and kind of form a patty. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect, but we'll make it as good as we can. Like this, and we're just going to set it aside on a plate. So what I've got here is my outdoor burner. And I'm going to add a bit of oil to the pan. And of course, you can do this in the stove. And add the burgers in. And I'm going to do a couple of different options here. I'm going to do a couple on the grill too. See which one is better. And maybe you can leave us a comment which one you like. Grill, pan fried, barbecued, whatever. Of course, we're going to give these a flip over. After about 4 or 5 minutes, we're done here. So I'm just going to set these aside on a plate. You know, it's hard to know which ones I like better, done on the grill or the pan. I know, you guys can decide. In the same pan, and you don't want to do anything with this, I'm going to add a bit more oil in because it's got those wonderful flavors happening. I'm going to add in a large onion and mushrooms. We're just going to saute these for a few minutes. Okay, now the onions are translucent and our mushrooms are browned a little bit. I'm going to add in a cup and a half of beef broth. Listen to that sizzle, I just love it. Some Worcestershire sauce, and I'm just going to kind of eyeball this, but you know, it's probably like a teaspoon or so. And of course some salt and pepper. And you guys know I'm a pepper lover, so I'm going to add quite a bit. And we're just going to bring this to a boil. And this looks a little bit dry, so I'm going to add another half cup of water. After a boil, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch diluted in 2 tablespoons of water. And we're just going to give this a stir until it thickens up. And this smells absolutely delicious. And you know what? I love grilling outdoors. It's just incredible. After it's thickened up, I'm going to put the steaks back in. And just let them soak in those delicious juices for a bit. This smells so good. Spoon some of those juices over the meat. Oh my goodness, it looks incredible. Well, our steak is simmering. I just thought I'd show the garden. We're planting this. I'm going to go down today and get 2 or 3 rose bushes, put them in the back. But doesn't this look great? All right, after about 10 minutes, I'm just going to kill the heat here. And there you have it, our Salisbury steak. Now we're going to serve this up with some mashed potatoes on the side. Yum, yum. Spoon some of that super delicious sauce over the top. And of course, on the gravy, or on the potatoes, I should say. Yum. Okay, let's do a taste test here. It's simply heavenly. I love the taste of the Salisbury steak, potatoes, the mushrooms. Just great. You have to make this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time. I'm going to eat more. Yum.